Hi, my name is Heron, and I am in Scalable Data Infrastructures, term 1409. In this video, I will be discussing what problems I encountered, what are some of the things I felt were easier. I will also discuss how this project builds on what I learned from the previous weeks, and how all this will play into my future and how it relates to my future. But before we get started on all of that, I wanted to discuss the facial features that have changed, i.e. the beard. I'm going on leave now. Well, I am on leave now from the military, so I can go to Disney World on Sunday. So I'm looking forward to that. Me and the wife are going to have a blast and then get back to school as soon as I get back from it and back to work. But back to schoolwork, this is what I have to say about that. One thing that I encountered that was a little bit tough was probably what everybody else had problems with, the word problems. I knew as soon as I saw that there was going to be word problems, there was going to be trouble. I've had the same thing dealing with math, but I was able to get through it, which I thought was going to be a lot tougher than what it was, but I enjoyed it. I was able to learn a lot from this, and I also took your advice on taking my time with these different formulas and, well, different functions, because later on this is going to help me with some of my projects that I'm going to have, I'm sure, and this was actually very beneficial. Something that has become very easy, well, not very easy, but it's become a lot easier, is the coding in general. I don't have to think as much when I want to accomplish a task. It's just a matter of doing it, and it's become almost second nature. I've been doing a lot of studying for that to happen, but I'm glad that it's come this far since the beginning of the course. This activity definitely built on what I've learned in the previous weeks. I wouldn't be able to accomplish any of this week's project if it wasn't for the previous week's tasks and activities that I had to complete. But learning from day one, I've became a way better coder than I thought I could be. I didn't think I'd be a coder, so I'm definitely feeling good about how everything is going. I believe these projects will help me the most in my future. I've learned a lot of things I never thought I can do, prompts, confirms, that kind of stuff. So all the projects that I've had to do up till now are definitely going to boost me forward when I go into my next class, which is visual frameworks, which I'm eager to get into, but also nervous. But I think that everything that I've learned from here will also translate directly to what I'm going into, so I'm happy about that. Well, guys, you've listened to me talk about what was good, what was bad, how I built on what I've learned, and how it relates to my future. You've also heard me talk about my vacation, so I can't wait for that to happen. I've learned a lot about this class. I've learned a lot from this class, and I can't wait to see what Visual Frameworks has in store for me next month or a couple days.